illegal motorbike with no lights. There's one driving an illegal motorbike on the footpath there. And there's one driving an illegal motorbike on the pavement. Jumping the lights, no lights on, illegal motor vehicle. He's got a front light but no rear light. And then we got another one there with no lights. This one here's got no lights. No lights, illegal motor vehicle, no lights. There's some crap parking from the illegal motor vehicle there. Another one with no lights. And jumping the lights, and an unregistered motor vehicle as well. Another one of Starmer's imports. Another one of the workers he prefers to the British. Oh yeah, there's one there driving an illegal motorbike on the footpath and not even paying attention to where he's going. Jumping the lights, illegal motorbike, no lights on, even wearing a combat jacket, this one. There's an illegal motorbike there with no lights. And there's one riding an illegal motorbike on the pavement. Oh, there's one driving an illegal motorbike on the pavement there. Scumbag. And another scumbag driving an illegal motorbike on the footpath. Oh yeah, another illegal motorbike with no lights on and no sense of self-preservation either. Another illegal motorbike with no lights. One on the pavement on an illegal motorbike with no lights on. Illegal motorbike, no lights on. Scumbag driving an illegal motorbike on the pavement, jumping the lights. Look at this dickhead. That looks like another illegal motorbike with no lights on. Scumbag driving an illegal motorbike in our cycle lane. And another one driving an illegal motorbike on the footpath. There's one there, illegal motorbike with no lights on. Another of Starmer's imports. Oh, scumbag driving an illegal motorbike in our cycle lane. Oh yeah, an illegal motorbike coming through here. No motor vehicles allowed, that includes you, you scummy little cunt. Illegal motorbike, no lights. Oh, look at that, jumping the lights, wrong side of the road and on the pavement on his illegal motorbike. What a scumbag. Oh, another one cycling on the pavement. And one on an unregistered motorbike using a mobile phone. Yeah, there's an idiot going the wrong way up the one-way street. Fucking moron. That's an illegal motorbike with no rear light on. Another one of Starmer's imports, undercutting decent workers. No lights, illegal motorbike, no lights, no lights. 3 of them with no lights and illegal motorbikes. This, if I may say so, is Starmer's book.